Hariom, elegant students. In fact, you are greatly energetic and hardworking. May you get what you want. In the hazardous situation of COVID-19, you are warm welcome in these specific classes. At present, I am in front of you having the first lesson poem of Honeydew, the Ant and the Cricket, adapted from Aesop's Fables. Aesop was a great Greek fabulist and storyteller, credited with a number of fables now collectively known as Aesop's Fables. He was born in 620 BCE and died in 564 BCE. The Ant and the Cricket is a fable in poetic form. Next, a fable is a story, often with animals as characters, that conveys a moral. This poem is about an ant and a cricket, contains an idea of far-reaching significance, which is as true of a four-legged cricket as of a two-legged one. Surely you have seen, my dear students, a cricket that has two legs. Some essential terms with meaning of the lesson. Accustomed to sing means used to singing. Lay nothing by means save nothing. Quoth means said, and hastily means hurriedly. My dear students, please pay your attention toward the poem The Ant and the Cricket. A silly young cricket, accustomed to sing through the warm sunny month of summer and spring, began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. My dear student, this poem is about a silly young cricket and an ant. Cricket was only singing all day long and used to enjoy his times during the summer season. He didn't plan anything for the future. Then my next line is not a crumb to be found on the snow covered ground, not a flower could he see, not a leaf on a tree. My dear students, when winter arrives, cricket couldn't find a small amount of food to eat. The land is covered with snow. He couldn't see flower and leaf of a tree. So himself he finds in most bad situation. Then the next line. At last, by starvation and famine, made bold, all dripping with wet and all trembling with cold, away he set off to a miserly ant to see if to keep him alive he would grant. So the cricket thinks of going to miser ant to borrow food and to get shelter, that he could alive in this wrong situation. Him shelter from rain and a mouthful of grain, he wished only to borrow, he would repay it tomorrow. If not, he must die of starvation and sorrow. My dear students, the cricket wants to borrow everything, and on time he wants to return all. Otherwise, he would die because of starvation. But what the aunt says, listen please. Says the aunt to the cricket, I am your servant and friend, but we ants never borrow, we ain't never lend. But tell me, dear cricket, did you lay nothing by when the weather was warm? Quoth the cricket, not. Then the cricket knocked the door of the ant asking for help, but the ant says that he never borrows nor lends to somebody. The ant asked that what he was doing during the happier time, and what the answer of the cricket, listen. My heart was so light that I sang day and night, for all nature looked gay. You sang, sir, you say. Go then, says the ant, and dance the winter away. Thus ending, he hastily lifted the wicket, and out of the door turned the poor little cricket. Folks call this a fable, I'll warrant it true. Some crickets have 4 legs and some have 2. On hearing everything about him, dance, singing and enjoyment, the ant asked the cricket to try dancing and singing again during rough your times. My dear students, we must know what's the moral of this poem. The moral is we should enjoy happy moment but should not ignore our future. Careful planning is essential for everyone and it ensures a secure future. My dear students, I hope you have enjoyed the class attentively. Read the poem again and again and solve the question being stress free. Question number 1. What was the young cricket accustomed to do? Second question. When was the cricket more happy? Third question. Why did he complain? Fourth question. What made the cricket bold? Question number 5. Why did cricket go to the ant? Sixth question. What did the ant tell the cricket? Seventh question. What did the ant ask the cricket? My dear students, be healthy, stay home, enjoy and achieve your target. Goodbye, take care, see you again.